everybody, welcome to Python Coders. If you've been here before, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to do some simple math calculations in Python. So this is one of the rare occasions where you don't actually need to open a new file. You can do all of this directly in the Python shell. So this is what happens when you open up Python. You're going to get this window with these little arrows here. So this is where you're going to type. So I'm going to type something like 2 plus 2. And that's going to give me 4. Now we don't have to do such simple numbers. We can do something like 6.7 plus 9.5. That's going to give us 16.2. We can do subtraction. So we can do things like 67 minus 9.4. It's going to give us 57.6. So we can do things like multiplication. So we can do stuff like 5, and then we're going to put a star, 4. So a star is in the place of the multiplication sign, which is going to give us 20. We can do things like 5.5 times 6.9, which is going to give us 37.95. We can do division. So we can do 7.8. And then instead of the division sign, we are going to use the slash. So it's 7.8 basically over 4.5, which is going to give us 1.7 and then a bunch of 3s and then a 4. And then the last thing we can do is things like 4 star 3. So the double star is in the place of a power sign. So we're basically saying 4 to the third power, which is going to give us 64. We can do more complicated things. So if we do something like 67 to the fifth, that's going to give us a big number. It's going to give us 1350125 So these are just some simple math calculations. There are more complicated things you can do, but for now we're just going to do some basic ones. So you can play around with these numbers, make them larger, make them smaller, make them negative. But we are going to use these different calculations, or some of them, in the next program that we do. So that's going to be a math calculator. So basically in that one, what we are going to do is have users input the cost of their meal, and we're going to calculate the percent. We're going to add on the percent tax, the percent tip, and even if they want to split it with some other people, we will be able to do that for them. So stay tuned for that. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or ideas for new videos, put them in the comments below, and I will try my best to address them. Happy programming.